Welcome back to K-Chemistry.com. I am Mr. Hisham Mahmoud, and today we are diving into one of my favorite chemistry topics, the molecular and empirical formula. Now, I know what you are thinking. Oh, no more formulas. But here is the thing. By the end of today's lesson, you are going to be a formula simplifying machine. We have got interactive games, visual examples, and I promise you will actually enjoy learning this. So grab your notebooks, open your interactive lesson, and let's turn you into chemistry champions. All right, so let's start with the big question. What is the difference between the molecular and empirical formulas? Think of it like this. Imagine you are following a recipe. The molecular formula is like the full recipe: 4 cups of flour, 8 eggs, and 2 cups of sugar. But the empirical formula, that's simplified version: 2 cups of flour, 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar. Same proportions, just reduced to the smallest whole ratio. Look at your screen. See how we have H₂O₂. That's molecular. It tells us exactly 2 hydrogens and 2 oxygens. But we can simplify this to H₄O. That's the empirical one. Hydrogen 1, oxygen 1, same 1-to-1 ratio. 3-step method that never fails. Step 1, write down the numbers. Let's take C₆H₆, carbon 6 and hydrogen 6. Step 2, find the biggest common divisor. What number divides into both 6 and 6? Answer is 6. That's right. Look for the biggest number that divides evenly into all your numbers. Step 3, divide each number by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So C₆H₆ becomes CH. See how easy is that? Let's try another one together. H₂O₂. Step 1, H has 2, oxygen has 2. Divide both of them by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And answer is HO. H₂O here stays H₂O. Why? Because 2 and 1 don't have a common divisor other than 1. It's already in its simplest form. But look at C₆H₁O₆. That's glucose. By the way, C₆H₁O₆ glucose has a magic number that divides all three, the 6. So we get 6 divided by 6 is 1, 12 by 6 is 2, so it is CH₂O. And here is a mind blower. Glucose, C₆H₁O₆, and formaldehyde, CH₂O, have the same empirical formula. Can you tell me in the comments how is that? Different molecules, simple ratio is the same. Now let's try to go for game 1, the formula challenge. Can you do the challenge? Let's do some introduction to the game to understand what we are going to do. Click on the quiz challenge. I'll be leaving the link for that in the description. We are about to see how fast you can convert molecular formulas to empirical formulas. You have got 60 seconds, and every correct answer gets you 10 points. Don't worry about making mistakes. That's how we learn. Here we go. First formula is H₂O₂. Remember our steps: H₂O₂, divide by 2. The answer is HO, and press submit answer. Whoa, score is 10. Next one is C₆H₆. What is our magic number? Yes, 6. So CH it is. Submit the answer. Score is 20. Now look at that, C₆H₆O₂. So divide all by 2. That will be CH3. No need to make subscript. And O, submit the answer. That's correct. Keep going. You are on fire. Look at that score climbing. The timer is ticking, but you are getting faster with each. N2O4, so it will be NO2. Tell me in the comments, how did you get? CH2. Submit answer. Wow, H2SO4. Can you do this? Tell me, what did you get in the comments? Formulas are no match for you. Whether you got 5 right or 15 right, you are improving, and that's what matters. Notice how much faster you got by the end? That's your brain building those chemistry muscles. So let's see game 2, the molecular builder now. Remember, I left you the link for these games so you can play them and master the game. Let's build molecules. Click on Molecule Builder and let's get hands-on with chemistry. So see those colorful atoms, blue carbon, red oxygen, hydrogen, and purple nitrogen? We are going to drag and drop these to build actual molecules. It's like chemistry Lego. Our target is H₂O, C₂H₆O, whatever your target is. The first formula that we are required to find is the C₂H₆O. Build this molecule and let's see your score. I need 2 carbon atoms, so I'll drag 2 carbons. I need 6 hydrogens, so that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And I need 1 oxygen atom only. And let's check. The molecule is okay. That's good. Now for something completely different, let's build molecules. Click on Molecule Builder here at the top, and let's get hands-on with chemistry. See those colorful atoms, blue carbon, red oxygen, green hydrogen, purple nitrogen. We are going to drag and drop these to build actual molecules. It's like a chemistry Lego. Our target is, let's see, so I'll clear this and start this from the beginning. I have an NH3 as my first level. So we need 1 nitrogen. I'll drag 1 nitrogen atom here and 3 hydrogens. Let's check the molecule. That's correct. I got my first score. The second one is carbon dioxide. I need 1 carbon, 2 oxygens. Check. That's correct as well. I need 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen to build 1 water molecule. I need 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens to build a CH4, a methane molecule. The last one here is 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, a little bit, takes time, it's worth it. And then 1 oxygen, and I got it right. So I succeeded in a lot of molecules, and I got most of them correct. So if you make a mistake, slow down and click any atom to remove it. So if you put carbon here by mistake, you can remove the carbon back again. Carefully and exactly. In game 1, you simplified. In game 2, you built. Molecular formulas equal to exact atoms, and empirical is equal to the simplest ratio. Right? Find and divide. So also pharmaceutical companies use this. So also pharmaceutical companies use these formulas. The food scientists too. That's how you master formulas. It's something applicable. Chemistry is your superpower. Signing off. See you in the next video. In the next video, we'll be seeing how we can answer our homework and where to find all of these files. See you.